Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. First of all, I'm extremely sorry for the technical glitch that happened, and due to that, the webinar got delayed. So we are really sorry to you, and we're also thankful for you keeping patience and waiting for the webinar to start. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Platform-Based Software Solution. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Ashish Kumar, CTO and Consulting Enterprise Cloud Architect at Media Cloud Consulting and Services, Bangalore. An IT evangelist with 23 plus years of IT experience, Mr. Ashish Kumar possesses strong skills in IT management, IT strategy, IT architecture, solution delivery, quality management, and product development in systems, finance, manufacturing, and automobile domain. Ashish has expertise in IT architecture, enterprise modeling-based architecture, enterprise integration, technology, and processes. Mr. Ashish is a member executive panel McKinsey Research, a member of Cloud Standard Customer Council and Cloud Security Alliance, and is also a Level 2 Council member of Gerson Lemon Council Group, US. At present, he is the Chief Architect CTO of Media Cloud Consulting and Services, Bangalore, and also the Consulting Enterprise Cloud Architect for multiple companies. He provides consulting and advisory services on enterprise architecture and enterprise cloud architecture. He has been the consulting principal architect of IDCG KPMG Consortium for Government of India's UID project, Logistic Public Sector. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker, Mr. Ashish. Over to you, Mr. Ashish.
Hello, everybody. Sorry for the delay. Now I'm okay. Okay, so now I think I want to start immediately without further kind of briefing my career. Okay, so I believe I think everybody is in IT now. IT is it's 25 years is old industry now, more than 25 years. Even I'm having 25 years experience. So now I think we are kind of moving from software to the service based solutions. So in the IT itself is moving from software to service based. So I'm in a first slide where we are talking about what is that service based software. Because earlier we started with software where the software was dependent on your technology, like somebody was Microsoft, Oracle, Sun, IBM, and all. So it was not kind of neutral technology, what I should say. So we started with that. Everything was driven by the technology company. Then the next level is a lot of issues were on the integrating between two different technology. And now the third phase, currently we are now in an age of internet where what we are saying that our standard is internet, not the specific technology. So every product company, every technology company has to ensure that his product or the service should work in the internet space. So now we have defined the standard of internet, that everything should be through internet, and all the platform and the solutions should work through internet technology. So that is the one standard, what we call it in infrastructure level. From the software side, again, what we are talking about is the software is as a service now. So service-based software is again where we talk about. Just so services means I think we need to define the services for a software, we need to define the services for the infrastructure, we need to define the services for the system level. So that already we have defined that, so everybody must be knowing it, that web services standard is what actually is the service standard we have written, or the industry has written that. And so by following that web service standard, we are already kind of using our products like software as a service kind of solutions. We started using it now. So we have a kind of software as a service kind of model where the software we will not buy, we will only buy the services. Software will be as a services, so it will be more on the pay and use model. So since when we are talking about software as a services, we need to keep that software in the platform level. We can't develop the software independently and then deploy into the platform. So the next level is that that platform has to be there where the software development will happen. So that's why that whole the movement has to move from the software independent IDE, integrated development environment, to a platform-based IDE now. So that every vendor, every big kind of technology company has to provide the universal platform where the solution should work, or the developer or the technical people should be able to use that platform for developing the services. For example, like say the Eclipse is a integrated development environment where almost every technology company has agreed, and they are, whatever they are doing it, they ensuring it that they are giving us the plugins in the Eclipse. So Eclipse is the platform, is a universal platform where we are using that for developing the services. So that is how actually we are moving in a service-based kind of approach of solutions. Now, what is the benefit we are getting in the service, in the platform-based solutions? See, platform means that platform will be a one platform, and we will be accessing that platform or different kind of services from the different vendors. So vendors are not kind of controlling the platform.